An emergency fund is your safety net for financial surprises. Let's talk about why it's essential and how to build one quickly. Why you need an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can happen anytime. An emergency fund ensures you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans in tough times. How much should you save? Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Start by aiming for at least $1,000 and build up from there. How to build it fast. Cut non-essential expenses temporarily and automate your savings. Even setting aside $50 a month will get you closer to your goal. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial security. Start building yours today, and subscribe for more tips on Financial Rebirth.